Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to add Facebook lead ads leads to Zoho CRM for your fitness center. So I'm running a fitness center and I'm promoting my fitness center through Facebook by running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. Now what I want is that as I'm receiving a lot of leads through Facebook lead ads, I want to automatically add all the lead detail for my fitness center in my CRM application, that is Zoho CRM. So here for my objective, I need to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and Zoho CRM. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads for my fitness center, then automatically I will create a new record or create a new lead in Zoho CRM. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can add Facebook lead ads leads to Zoho CRM for my fitness center. So as the owner of fitness center, I used to spend hours manually entering Facebook leads into my CRM application and trying to maintain the lead details. Running ads on Facebook to generate leads is an effective way to attract new clients for my fitness center. However, manually managing these leads can become time consuming, especially when the number of inquiries grows. Now here what I need is, I need an automated system to instantly capture lead details from Facebook lead ads and add them to Zoho CRM for follow-ups, ensuring that potential clients don't slip through the cracks. And for this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now with Pabbly Connect, I can easily automate the process of transferring Facebook lead ads leads to Zoho CRM, and this will streamline my lead management process. So with this integration, the moment someone submits a lead generation form on Facebook, their details are instantly added to Zoho CRM, and it will make my lead management much more efficient and help me grow my client base faster. So here I'm going to connect Facebook lead ads and Zoho CRM together, and that too without any coding and programming skills, and I'm going to set up this automation just with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is, I need to create a new workflow, and for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add Facebook lead ads leads to Zoho CRM for my fitness center. Now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I'll find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and here I have this particular folder of Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to click on Create, and this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in our workflow, we need to first set up our trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to first search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here. Now I have to give my trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new lead instant will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, so I'm going to click on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection, and I need to click on Connect with Facebook lead ads. Now here I need to click on Continue to give access to my account. And here I have successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is, I need to first select my page and the lead gen form. So for this, let me first take you to my Facebook account. And here on Facebook, I have this particular Facebook page, that is Pulse Fitness Hub. and in this Facebook page, I'm running my lead campaign through which I'm receiving a lot of leads for my fitness center. So here I need to select this page in Pabbly Connect, and for this let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting my page, I need to open this tab, and in this tab you'll find all the pages that you have in your Facebook account, and you can select any particular page that you want to use. I'm going to select this Pulse Fitness Hub page, and now I need to select my lead gen form. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab you'll find all the lead generation forms that you have created in your page, and you can select any particular lead gen form that you want to use. Here I'm going to select all lead gen forms, and now here I have this important note that says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate the sample submission of a lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now here what I need to do is, I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button, and now here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, I need to create a sample submission, and for creating that sample submission, I need to make sure that my lead generation form is live, so that as I'm going to generate a new lead, then automatically I will get that detail here in Pabbly Connect. So for getting this webhook response, I need to generate a new lead by filling out my lead generation form. And for generating the lead generation form, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go to Matter for Developer, and here I need to go to Resources, where I have this option of Developer Tools. So I'm going to open this, and here in Developer Tools, I need to scroll down, and here I'm going to use this tool of Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So I'm going to select this, and now here I have these two options of page and form. So my page and the form is already selected. Now what I need to do is, I need to generate a new lead, and as I'm going to generate that lead, then automatically the response of that lead will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here for generating the lead, I need to click on this Preview Form button, and here this is my form. Now what I need to do is, I need to fill all the detail of my lead, and here I need to generate a sample lead. So I'm going to fill dummy details, and here the first name of my lead is going to be demo. I'm going to give a last name that will be user. Email will be demoUser@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number, and I'm going to select my gender, that is going to be male. Now I have filled all the required details. Now what I need to do is, I need to click on continue, and I need to click on submit. Now here I have successfully created this lead, and I have generated this lead by filling out this lead generation form. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect we can see I have received this response. So here I have the first name of my lead, that is demo. I have the last name, that is user. I have the email address, that is demoUser@pabblytudes.com. I have the random phone number of my lead. Also I have the gender, that is male. So here we can see that these were all the details that I have filled in my lead generation form for generating the lead. And as I have submitted that form and I have created a new lead in Facebook lead ads for my fitness center, then automatically I have received the response of that lead here in Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is that as I'm receiving all the detail of my lead in Pabbly Connect for my fitness center, then automatically I want to add these lead details in my CRM application, that is Zoho CRM. So I want to create a new lead in Zoho CRM with all these details of the lead that I'm receiving for my fitness center through Facebook lead ads. So for my objective, what I need to do is, I need to set up my Actions tab. And here my action application is going to be Zoho CRM. So I'm going to search for that. And I'm going to select Zoho CRM here. Now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I want to add the details of my lead in Zoho CRM. So I'm going to use this action event of insert/update record. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And now I'm going to click on connect with Zoho CRM. Now for connecting Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a domain. And for my domain, I need to take you to my Zoho CRM account first. And here in the path URL, we can see I have my domain of Zoho CRM, that is zoho.in. So let me take you back to Pabbly Connect, and I need to type my domain here, that will be zoho.in. And now I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to scroll down, and I need to click on accept to give access to my account. And here I have successfully connected Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect. Now here for creating a new record or creating a new lead, what I need to do is I need to first select my module name. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I want to create a new lead. So I'm going to select my module name as lead. So I'm going to select that, And now we can see all the details have changed according to my module. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all my lead details from my response of Facebook lead ads, and I'm only going to use the details that I have received from my response of Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to use my response of Facebook lead ads and I'm going to map those details here in these tabs. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. Now here I have these tab of first name and the last name. So I'm going to map the first name and the last name of my lead. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Facebook lead ads, and here this is the first name. So I'm going to map this. Now similarly I'm going to map the last name, and I'm going to scroll down and I have to give the email address. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Facebook lead ads, and here this is the email address. So I'm going to map this. Now I have to give the phone number, and I'm going to scroll down. And I need to first select my lead status. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I'm going to use this lead status as not contacted. So I'm going to select this. Now here I've filled all the required details and all the details that I've received of my lead from my Facebook lead ad response, and I have mapped all those details here in these tabs. Now here as I've mapped these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new response of a lead from Facebook lead ads for my fitness center, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new lead detail in the real time. And for every new lead, I will create a new record in Zoho CRM. Now I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that automatically I have added the record of this lead in Zoho CRM, and I have created a new lead in Zoho CRM. Now to check whether I've created a new record in Zoho CRM or not, let me take you to Zoho CRM. I'm going to go to leads. And here in leads, we can see I've created this new lead that has the name of demo user, email is demoUser@pabblytudes.com, and I have the random phone number of my lead. So here we can see that these were the details that I have filled in my lead generation form in Facebook lead ads for my fitness center, and as I've submitted that form and I've created a new lead in Facebook lead ads, then automatically I've created a new record in Zoho CRM with my lead detail. So here we can see I've successfully created this automation between Facebook lead ads and Zoho CRM, and for every new lead that I'm going to receive for my fitness center from Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will be added in my Zoho CRM. Now to check this in real time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Metaphor Developer. I'm going to close this window. I'm going to delete this lead, and I'm going to preview this form one more time. And in this form, I'm going to create a new form submission. Now I'm going to create a new lead with the new lead detail. So here the first name will be test, last name will be user, email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number, and I'm going to give a gender that will be again male. And now I have to click on continue. I will click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted this form, and I have created a new lead for my fitness center. Now what should happen is that as I have submitted this form and I have created a new lead for my fitness center, then automatically the detail of this lead should be added in my CRM application, that is Zoho CRM. So to check whether I've created a new lead in Zoho CRM or not, let me take you to Zoho CRM. I'm going to refresh this page. And here in Zoho CRM, we can see I have created this new lead, or I have added this new record of my lead that has the name as test user, email is testuser@pabblytudes.com, and I have the random phone number of my lead. So here we can see I have successfully added these details of my lead that I have received from Facebook lead ads for my fitness center. Then automatically I have added those details in my Zoho CRM application. So here I have successfully created this automation between Facebook lead ads and Zoho CRM, and I have created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here I have connected these two applications of Facebook lead ads and Zoho CRM to automatically add Facebook lead ads leads to Zoho CRM for your fitness center. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Zoho CRM, and my action event was insert/update record. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.